Okay, thank you. Okay, lo displa lesson ba mission you bla how to create the functional PayPal account where you instead of PNC now you can receive money from anywhere in the world, and also you can work in payments. Like in Uganda, stay calm and watch. Call up browser, and the browser where you say use him. Your case for me by me using Chrome. Okay, once you come up here, I'm good. By you type in paypal.com/ls and then hit enter. Okay, once you come up here, by you column menu. So inside the menu, by you looking personal, business, partners, and developers. In our case, you mean like creating business account. So by me clicking business. Okay, inside the business account, by looking all business solutions except online payments and invoices. In our case, you mean like receiving PayPal money the PayPal account do you mean? Now two, you can make him payment through the PayPal account do you mean? So by you clicking all business solutions. Okay, once you come up here and by you scroll down PayPal, the smart for business, and then you hit get started. Okay, and by giving your security challenge, you by clicking I'm not a robot. So in my case, I'm asking the motorcycle. So by me must tikim mo picture ba yung containing o imikat motorbike. Asking can bicycle. Still I'm asking not bicycle yet. Okay, me successfully passing security silence. So PayPal and bringing me come low. Create a business account. Okay, I'm good. You must here I'm talk first name. So you must use him name where I'm start the driver's license blue or any valid ID where company issue him. So first name blue, type in beneath, and then your last name, email address. I'm good. You don't have using email address where you've been trying or you've been using finish law trying to creating PayPal account before this tutorial. When you creating password play you, make sure to follow these plus steps or instructions, and then you read and agree to the user agreement and privacy statement. And then you click him agree and create account. Okay, thank you. Let me continue the next lesson. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.